My name is and I'm doing my pipette video. First thing I'm going to show is technique. My technique is to grab the bowl, we squeeze it, and we put it tightly on our pipette, put it in our solution, put it up, there. Once we're done, we replace it with our index finger. We need to use our index finger because it's a lot better grip than our thumb. Okay. I'm going to place it slightly over here. First, I'm going to read the volume, which is 8.1. I bring myself down to the... It's going to be 8.10. If I can see, the meniscus is right on the line. We always want to measure by the meniscus. Because what happens is water molecules sort of attract to the glass, and that's what rises it up and gives us that concave shape. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to drop it to 9. Alright. So I was able to get the meniscus down to 9.10. Okay. I'm going to return the rest of this to my waste beaker. Usually we don't put the solution back into the thing, but our TA said this time, since it's just blue water, this is appropriate. Okay? Now I'm going to record my data. I had 9.10 milliliters minus 8.10 milliliters. So now what's left in my 40 milliliter beaker is 1 milliliter. To clean the pipette, what we do is first we get the pipette, we fill it up with water, we grab it, we rinse it around, we dump it out in the sink. We do that 3 times. Then we get our solution, we grab it, we fill it up to a reasonable amount, switch it, dump it in the sink or a waste beaker, and we do that 3 times as well. So then our pipette is clean and ready to use.
So this is how you use a pipette. When you're measuring with a pipette, the first thing you need to do is clean it. By doing that, you're going to make it safe to use. This is how you get some deionized water, suck up some of the full bowl and stuff, suck it up, twist around a few times, let it out of the thing. Then you get your solution you're going to use, suck it up 3 times, and twirl it around and let it out. Then you're ready to use it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to squeeze your bowl, put it on the top so it's secure, and you keep it straight up, and try not to touch the bottom of your pipette. Right in there, so I'm just going to let that out. When you let it out, you need to put it on the side so it doesn't get the splish splashy. Okay, ready to try again? And when you're ready to measure, put your index finger on the top. That'll be more stable with the liquid. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to look to see how much I have in there. I'm going to measure to the 100. And we're going to measure by the meniscus. The meniscus is the concave dip we have in the water. The outside is the water is attracted to the glass, and that's why we have a meniscus. My measurement is 6.27. I'm going to let it out to a certain point, and I'm going to subtract my final from my initial. I'm going to stop it. And now I'm at 8.21. And now, I'm going to let it out right here. We usually don't let our waste go into the same beaker, but this is a special case. So I'll set that down and write my measurements over here. Initially, my final volume was 8.21. I subtract 6.27 from that to get 1.94. And that'll be in milliliters. And then that's how you measure with a pipette.
I'm going to show you how to do the measurement of a pipette using proper technique with the pipette, and in order to use it, you make it first, and then you rinse it out 3 times with the iodine water, and you rinse it out, and then you rinse it 2 more times with the solution cup. And then once you get that done, then you're ready to use the pipette. And in order to do that, you have to squeeze the bowl, and then you place it in top of the pipette. You stick it in a beaker for your solution, and you want to make sure it doesn't touch the bottom. And then you put it in the water and release the bowl until a certain point. Alright. This time I got a little bit of air, so I'm going to do it again. And you want to make sure you place on the side of the beaker to ensure that you don't get any splashing or anything. Alright, so again, squeeze the bowl, squeeze the water. And then now we're going to read the initial reading. And you do this by looking at the bottom of the meniscus, which is a concave surface. When that happens when the water molecules are attracted to the side of the glass, and so they raise to the side, and it allows there to be like a concave surface. So you want to make sure you read the bottom of that. And my initial volume is 8.10. And then you're going to write that down in your notebook. Okay. And then now we're going to come in here in order to find the final volume. And you do this by releasing your index finger, and you want to make sure you hold it with your index finger because that's the best or the most secure way. And then this is my final volume. It's going to read 9.38. And in order to find the volume in the beaker, you subtract the initial volume from the final volume. So that would be actually 938. That is how you properly use a pipette. Now I'm going to demonstrate the proper use of a safety using the pipette. First, you will make sure that it's clean by using the ionized water. You would rock it back and forth and roll it slightly 3 times. You will repeat that technique with the solution that you're going to use, rocking and rolling. Then you take the bowl, squeeze it tightly, apply to the top of the pipette. You would put the pipette in your solution. Careful not to touch the bottom. And gather some of the solution. I got bubbles, so I'm going to release on the side and repeat. drawing the solution. Remove the bulb and apply my index finger. And that is a more secure hold. And I have the meniscus is I'm going to measure by the meniscus, and that is the concave in the solution. And the meniscus happens because the water molecules are attracted to the sides of the flat of the packet. And then I'm going to release after I measure, and that is going to be 10.2. Drop some solution out to the empty beaker. And I'm going to measure. And I came right up, the meniscus is right at 10. So I'm subtracting the 10.2 minus the 10 from the 10.2, and I'll come up with 0.2. And then I'll just drop the solution next to the waste beaker. Normally I would be in